Good morning, children, and welcome to our new lesson in health, and it is all about puberty-related health myths and misconceptions. So, I received your great effort in your video making about the challenges of puberty, during puberty, and your new responsibility when becoming adult. So, most of you read it or pronounce it as puberty. It is not poverty, children, so it is puberty. So, look at the picture. Have you felt different changes in your life right now? Myths and misconceptions are common among those who are going through puberty or adolescence. This can create confusion or confusion and anxiety to you and your parents as well. Knowing the common myths and misconceptions about puberty can help you understand the different stages you are going through. So, we have puberty in girls and puberty in boys. So, for girls, it is menstruation. And for boys, it is called wet dreams or nocturnal emission. So, be familiar with this. Girls, menstruation. And boys, wet dreams or nocturnal emission. Puberty in girls. So, menstruation, it is the monthly discharge or flow of blood. So, highlight monthly. So, it will come to you once a month. It is a normal function of the girl's reproductive system. Ovary and ovaries are found in the female reproductive system that produces egg cells. These egg cells become mature when the girl reaches puberty. Each month, one egg ripens or matures. So that's why when the egg ripens or matures, we have our monthly discharge or flow of blood, or it is called menstruation. It takes about 28 days menstrual cycles. So this is the normal days of having a menstrual cycle. Many girls have no problems at all with their menstrual periods. But some get aches or cramp-like pains on their lower abdomen at the start of their period. Others feel bloated or a bit slow to move around. So, this is the challenge because some girls during menstruation, they are fine. But mostly, girls having menstruation feel pain or feel aches in their lower abdomen. And also for those who are weak in immune system, some feels weak, they vomit, magsuka, and they become pale, mangluspad. So this is how to proper care during menstruation. Observe proper diet. Nutrition is necessary for growth and good health. You should never miss a meal. Stay away from meals and snacks like junk foods. soft drinks, and fried foods. You should eat foods rich in protein, carbohydrates, and lots of fruits and vegetables. Next, have plenty of rest and sleep. Your body needs time to regularly replace lost energy, to relax tired muscles, and to repair injured cells and tissues. Rest and sleep are a part of healthy living. Next is exercise. It does wonders in preventing menstrual discomfort. By regularly exercising, you can also maintain good posture, keep fit, and feel well. During your period, you do not need to stop all your physical activities. Since menstruation is normal, treat menstrual days just like any other regular day. Exercise enhances blood circulation and helps relieve tension that may cause stomach cramps. Fourth, good grooming and hygienic habits. You can do the following. Includes taking a bath, keep your private parts clean, your male and reproductive organ, keep it clean. Keep your teeth clean as well as your nails and ears. Dress well. Begin each day by washing your face. Use sanitary protection. For girls, when you have menstruation, you can use napkin or tampons. And go out and have fun, socialize. Do not stay in bed the whole day. It can make you lazy. So there are some strange stories or beliefs about menstruation that is not true. So do not believe. It is just strange stories from our ancestors. So first, we have vigorous exercises are prohibited during one's period. So it is okay to exercise when you have period because exercises enhances blood circulation. But do not overdo things. Just light exercises. Next, you gain weight during period. No. You gain a little weight before your period because of hormonal change. But it is not fat from your foods. It is fluid retention, which gives a bloated feeling. So, kung dogon ko no kat tambok sinang tiyan, tambok na because of fluid, not by the food that you eat. Third, menstrual blood is dirty blood. Dirty ang dugo. Wrong. Menstrual blood is not dirty blood. It is full of nutrients that a woman's body make in order to nurture a baby when the time comes. As long as you follow hygienic practices, you are definitely clean. So if you are keeping your private part clean, so your menstrual blood is not dirty. Next, a girl who washes her face with her menstrual blood will have a clear, smooth complexion. So, it is very familiar stories, right? Once your underwear kuno ipahid sa imong naong kay dili kuno kabugason. It is not true. Wrong. Menstrual blood, though it is not dirty, it is not intended by the nature to be used for pimples. So, it is not intended. proper hygiene brings about a smooth and clear complexion. So, what makes you have a clear and smooth skin, smooth complexion? It is your proper hygiene. Wash your hands, wash your face. You should clean yourself to have a clear and smooth skin. Do not believe that your underwear, you will use your underwear to wash your face. That is wrong. That is only a belief. Next. Sit or jump from the third step of the stairs to shorten your period to 3 days. So, familiar. When you step, third step of the stairs, you have only 3 days menstruation period. Is it true? So, it is wrong. It was just a belief. Each girl has her own menstrual period ranging from 2 to 7 days. Sitting or jumping from the third step of the stairs cannot change that. Okay, sixth, bathing and washing your hair during your monthly period will make you crazy. It will also shorten menstrual period. So, it is also familiar na bawal maligo kung gidugo. So, it is not true. You will not get crazy since your skin and your hair can get extra greasy during this period. It is important to continue good grooming and proper hygiene habits, especially a daily bath and shampoo. So, it is okay to take a bath when you have a period. Next, eating certain foods, especially sour foods like green mangoes or santol, is bad for a menstruating woman. So, eating mga mangga, mga aslom, bawal when you have a period. Is it true? No. You can eat and drink anything you like. Just make sure that you take regular meals, which includes the right foods, in the right quality, and at the right time. Lastly, we have a woman cannot get pregnant while she is menstruating. So, it is not true. While menstruation signals the presence of the unfertilized egg, a woman may get accidentally pregnant during menstruation, especially if she has an irregular menstruation pattern. A sperm can survive in the fallopian tube up to 5 days. So, a woman can be pregnant while she is in menstruation, especially those women nga irregular ilang menstrual cycle, diba? Na may 28-day cycle. So, ang mga irregular, wa kaabot og 28 or nilapos og 28, they can get pregnant. How about in boys? So, boys, listen. Puberty in boys. So, this is your male reproductive system. Okay. Yours is called as wet dreams or nocturnal emission. So, it is very exciting part to me. I will study your about your reproductive system, boys. Sperm and other secretions are produced continuously by the reproductive organs. So, ang male produces sperm. Sometimes they are discharged naturally in what is known as wet dreams. This is natural occurrence among healthy and normal boys. So, boys, For girls is menstruation. It is a color red blood flow. But yours, boys, is the wet dreams. It is color white. Discharged naturally, known as wet dreams. Oh, white, color white. This is natural occurrence among healthy and normal boys. Circumcision is the surgical removal of the foreskin or folds of the skin tissues that normally covers the head of your penis or male organ. Okay, what is circumcision? It is very familiar. Tuli. Manay tuli. Surgical removal of folds of the skin tissue. Kanang tulion mo, manay circumcision. It is recommended that the wound be clean or disinfected with proper medicine given by the doctor. So, di magjama-jama kay inyo ra ba ng kuan, private part. So, kung gituli mo, go to a doctor. I will recommend you to go to the doctor. Okay, erection. What is erection for boys? It is cause the penis to become enlarged and hard. So, when your private part become hard and you see that it enlarges, so it means erection. Okay, proper care for the self among boys. So, boys, this is how you will care your private part. So, boys have a lot of questions about puberty and the changes that are happening to them. Some of these questions are very personal and are embarrassing to ask. These are some of the common questions. Number 1. Why does semen come out while I am sleeping? Why does wet dreams daw come out while I am sleeping? So, this is the answer. This is normal for boys undergoing puberty. He should not be embarrassed. Do not be shy. It is normal. It is a sign that the body is developing and maturing. The semen that the body produces has to come out to give space to new ones that the body continually produces. Sometimes, when a boy dreams of something exciting, semen involuntarily comes out. This is why these emissions are called wet dreams. Not all boys experience this uncontrolled discharges. So, be happy. You are lucky if you have a normal emission of wet dreams. Because not all boys experience this. Same as girls. Not all girls have their menstruation monthly. Some girls have their menstruation yearly class. So, imagine no, they have their menstruation yearly. Once a year. Me class, monthly ko. Monthly. So, number 2. What causes the penis to become hard? What causes your private part to become hard? So, this is the answer. Inside the penis are nerves, blood cells, and tissues that can fill up, like sponge, and cause the penis to become enlarged and hard. This is called an erection, where the skin of the penis will stretch and adapt to this new shape. This can happen day or night. Usually when a boy gets excited or even for no apparent reason. For semen to be released, the penis has to be in its erect position. So I hope that you understand about our lesson in puberty. And we also discuss about the related health myths and misconceptions. So, do not believe about the strange stories. So, we have scientific observation of this stage of your life. So, health for life. No one understands the changes during your puberty years in order to know yourself better, as well as others who are in the same stage as you. Have you been feeling or seeing these signs now? Okay, start taking care of yourself. That's all. Thank you for listening.